Hello students and welcome back to Standard 9th Mathematics digital class. Today we will learn interior angle theorem from chapter 2 parallel lines. The statement of interior angle theorem is if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angles on either side of the transversal are supplementary. Given. Here given is line L parallel to line M and line N is their transversal. Hence, as shown in figure, angle A and angle B are interior angles formed on one side and angle C and angle D are interior angles formed on the other side of transversal. To prove, angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Angle D plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Proof. There are three possibilities which arise regarding the sum of measures of angle A and angle B. The first possibility is angle A plus angle B less than 180 degree. Second possibility is angle A plus angle B greater than 180 degree. And the third possibility is angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Let's see the first possibility, that is angle A plus angle B less than 180 degree. If this is true, then according to Euclid's postulate, if the line L and line M are produced, will intersect each other on the same side of transversal, where angle A and angle B are formed. It means if angle A plus angle B is less than 180 degree, then the lines M and L are intersecting lines. But line L and line M are parallel lines. This is given. And therefore, angle A plus angle B less than 180 degree is impossible. Let's see the second possibility. If angle A plus angle B is greater than 180 degree. So therefore, angle A plus angle B is greater than 180 degree. See the figure. Here angle A plus angle D are linear pair angles, and also angle C and angle B are linear pair angles, and we know linear pair angles are supplementary. Therefore, angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. That let be equation number 1. Also, let angle C plus angle B equals to 180 degree be equation number 2. Now, the reason here is angles in a linear pair. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get angle A plus angle D plus angle C plus angle B equals to 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now, which is equal to 360 degree. Now, taking angle A plus B on right hand side, we get angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degree minus angle A plus angle B in bracket. Now from the condition, we know angle A plus angle B is greater than 180 degree. So then (360 degree minus bracket angle A plus angle B, the value will be less than 180 degree. And therefore angle C plus angle D is less than 180 degree. Now again, as angle C plus angle D is less than 180 degree, so then according to Euclid's postulate, line L and line M produced will intersect each other on the same side of transversal, where angle C and angle D are formed. But we know line L and line M are parallel lines. So therefore angle C plus angle D less than 180 degree is impossible, and therefore angle A plus angle B greater than 180 degree is also not possible. So both the two possibilities, the first two possibilities are not possible. So therefore the remaining possibility, what is the third possibility? That angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree is true. Similarly, we can prove that angle C plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Note that in this proof, because of the contradiction, we have denied the possibilities angle A plus angle B greater than 180 degree and angle A plus angle B less than 180 degree. So hence, here the theorem is proved. I hope you have understood the interior angle theorem. Students, you will write the theorem and its proof in your notebook. Thank you.